Hello everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands. I'm at the allotment after we have been battered in the UK by storm after storm. We've had about 3 storms in the last month or so, and things have been getting colder, wetter, and especially I think it was yesterday we were getting some serious breeze. So I came down the allotment because I haven't been down here for about 2 to 3 weeks because I've been busy engrossing all the stuff that I'm doing. So let's give you an update on how it looks after the storm. And surprisingly, it's been okay. I think, yeah, I've lost the nasturtium. The fence, this blew down. I've got a pallet at the back there that blew off somewhere next door to me. The vegetables are doing okay because obviously I knew some of them were going to die back and then they'll probably come back up later next year. Brassicas survived. Those are still hanging in. Garlic is doing well. Onions are doing well. Thyme is doing well. And this is a serious frost where we had a frost where I had to get out there and scrape off the window of my car before I even started it. Still doing well. Look at that. I've got bok choy in there. Got a variety of kale in there, which I don't remember at the moment. Garlic around the sides. Garlic are coming up nicely because they love the cold, so you ain't gonna have no issues with it. Tell me you see the karabi, baby. Karabi is hanging in there very well, doing absolutely well. Leeks, more garlic, guys. Come on. I think I'm doing well because I think out of all this allotment here, you guys can see it. I'm probably the only one that has a green or something still growing in the garden that still is. I'm still hanging in there very well. But let's get back to what I'm showing you. Broccoli hanged in there. It's blew down a little bit. I might have to stake it to kind of keep it up. There's some Russian kale in there with some collard green. They actually survived the flipping, excuse my language, but they actually survived the frost. Celery has survived 3 days of frost. That is crazy. They're not supposed to be here. They're supposed to be somewhere else in the big, garden in heaven. Obviously, we know turnips, they will survive even a nuclear blast. Okay, that's a bit too far, but they will survive. My lemquat, obviously, those apples are still there. The trees die back. This is my lemquat. I gotta get it home. I need to take that home today and test it out and taste it. I didn't get a chance to taste it because I've been so engrossed. It's starting to spoil, but look, guys, it has had the frost. It's in the open air. Nothing covering. I ain't covering it for daylight. I'm gonna leave it out and just let it get hit by everything. And if it survives, it doesn't survive, it's fine. I'll get another one. But it's lemquat doing well. I haven't tasted you, baby, but I'm gonna taste you today because I'm gonna take you this one home. This is not as bad. But I might still use half of this, make something with it. I don't know, maybe a drink, squeeze it or something else with it. But it's still fairly looking good, guys. I will have to say, it's fairly looking good. When you're getting 80 miles an hour wind, I came down here and I expected everything to be lifted off. I still have to harvest these suckers here. Ooh, almost fell over myself here. I lost my legs. Some brassicas. These are cauliflower in there, different varieties of cauliflower. I need to get them out. I need to get them, harvested. I might actually do them over the weekend, or I might take some home tonight and have a good meal. We've got some collard greens over there. Look at that. There's carrots over the other side there. There's some collard greens and some daikon, which is a Japanese radish, a long white radish. But look at this beauty. Look at this. Look at that. That is a purple color cauliflower. And it's still there doing well. I need to take it home. I'm going to take some leaves, stew it up, and blanch it up and whatever. And I got some carrots just over the middle there, still hanging on. I think I'm doing well. No matter the time of year, I'm still out here gardening. I don't care. I do not care. Excuse me for sniffing up my nose, but the damp, the coldness is making my nose runny. The garlics are doing well. They will survive anything. Spinach, I expected them to die. They're still here. Pretty much, look, guys. If you look around my allotment, still have food. There's a chard over there with some beetroot, some kale over here as well. Come on. Kale over there as well. Come on. Thyme, still green. New thyme hanging in there. Parsnips will be ready soon. Maybe about, say, January, maybe February, when the spring starts to come in, or even later than February. But look at that. All beds are still green. Except for the garden beds, they're finished. But it's okay. I'm gonna treat them and get them back looking great, ready for next year. But moving on to the dynamite piece, the crown jewel. This, guys, this is my 5 foot, between 5 to 4 foot, and something has been eating it. You know what the fudge? Someone has been, I bet you it's those dirty birds. Because there's no insects around right now. It's those dirty son of a monkey's uncle birds coming down here and picking off my poxy leaves and leaving me without nothing. I could have eaten these son of a monkeys. I bet you it's them, because there won't be hardly any slugs around because of the cold. They're too cold to come out. Lord, I'm going to take this home with me today. I'm going to harvest that. Yeah, the wind has battered it anyway. Look how lean it is right now. It's leaned over like it's ready to drop it like it's hard. But anyway, the leaves, some of them are still looking good. Take them home with me, chop them down, stick them in my belly. More and more. There's some cauliflower, purple cauliflower in there. Colly. I got a cabbage that's surviving well. I need to get it out there, not get rid of it, get it out. Some leafy greens. These are actually collard greens. I need to get them, harvest them. They might be petite, but they're edible. And that's what it's all about. I've got a big surprise coming up in here, because there's potatoes in here, guys, that I haven't dug up. Because these are the ones that I dug up before and I replanted them. And then look at that. Look at me. It is a potato. Look, there's potatoes underneath here, guys. Look, let's cover that up. I'll do a video about that completely when I harvest other potatoes, because I have more than one potato patch. And it's December. Doesn't matter. We are growing food, guys. Food. More broccoli, garden beds. I'm not even going to go any further than that, guys. You can see, there is no time to waste. Grow food throughout the year. If you grow something that can handle a temperature that you live in, you'll be able to eat throughout the year. And yeah, as you can see, I still through the storm. And before I go, I'm going to trim that sucker there soon. I'm going to prune him down, because I'm tired of seeing these long things where I got great pears at the top of it, and I can't eat it. So I'm going to remove those bad boys, chop them up, drop them all over the place, feed the soil with their branches. And yeah, this is your boy, Mr. Green Hands. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please do not forget one thing. Take care of the planet before I get blown away. Seriously scared out here. Okay, I need to cut that out. Yeah, really need to do that. But yeah, thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you guys soon on another one.